Hello everyone, today I'm gonna be unboxing my first doser, which is the Jebao Doser 3.4. Inside the box it comes with a user's manual, one extra doser pump, one power adapter cable, and here's the main unit with 4-channel dosing pump. For the tubing, I bought a silicone tubing 4mm inside diameter by 6mm outside diameter. On the left side, there's one 12 volts power adapter port. At the back, there's 2 screw holes for mounting. So now let's go ahead and plug this in and test all the pumps if they're all working. So here, there's a 3-light indicator that will show you the status of your Wi-Fi connection and power indicator. Each pump comes with a gray manual dosing button. So it looks like they're all working properly. So let's go ahead and download the app and connect the doser. So first step, let's go ahead and scan the QR code from the manual to install the app. After installing the app, log in using your Jebao account or create a new one. After signing up for an account, tap the Use It Now to start and Add Now to add your device. Tap the doser icon and press the power button for 5 seconds until the red and green LED flashes. Next, tick the checkbox to confirm that it's in a smart configuration mode and hit next. And make sure that you are connected to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. After connecting to your Wi-Fi, you will see your device from the list and it will ask your confirmation to add the device. Let's select the device and tap confirm to add. Now that we successfully added the device, and let's go ahead and set it up. Tap the start button. Tap and hold the doser icon for 2 seconds to enter to the device dashboard. To enter channel 1 programming options, just tap and hold the CH1 button for 2 seconds. So here in the channel 1 options, you have a big manual toggle on and off for your pump, automatic programming button, and switch for your program if you want to turn it off or on. To check if it's working, just tap power button and you will see a blue LED light beside your pump if it's in on state. Let's go ahead and program one of the dosing pump. Let's tap on automatic program. And if you want to dose daily, just leave the day interval to 0 day. To schedule the pump, tap one of the schedule from the list, set the time, and after setting the time, set the dosing volume in ml. After setting the dosing schedule and dosing volume, make sure to tap the Save button at the top right corner, then tap the Back button and make sure that the Run Program switch is set to on. If you go back to the main dashboard, you should see a clock icon beside the scheduled pump, and that means the dosing schedule was successfully set and currently on. So just to test it, I've set the time to 10 PM and 1 more minute and the schedule should run and dose at 10 ml. So it's running. You can also rename your doser by going to your main dashboard and tapping the 3 dots at the top right corner and select rename. And after renaming your doser, just tap the Save button at the top right corner. Now that we are done connecting the app to our device, let's go ahead and connect all tubings and calibrate one of the pump for accurate dosing. To calibrate the pump, tap the 3 dots at the top right corner and select liquid calibration. Next, select the dosing volume for calibration, select which pump to calibrate and tap Start Calibration. Once the desired volume is reached, toggle the calibration button off and the duration value for dosing will automatically be set for your pump. Next, let's test the scheduled dosing's accuracy. It's running. Stop. Wow. After testing the measurement, the accuracy so far is perfect. I scheduled it for 20 ml and as you can see the result is spot on. Overall, for my first impression, I think this device so far has been working accurate and smooth. I've seen negative reviews from Amazon about the Wi-Fi connection setup. I think this depends on your router if it supports 2.4 GHz or not. If your Wi-Fi doesn't support it, don't buy this product, but if it does, this is a good decent doser for the price, and it can provide 1 ml to 10,000 ml per day, 24 times. If you want to check out this product, I added the link down in the description. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.